Are you looking for a fun sound effects machine? Well, look no further. This is a great way to play with family, play tricks on other people, whatever you want. Let's take a peek at it and then we will give it a try. It does come with a charging cord, which is nice. You can always just recharge it. It does have a user guide here, and then here we have the machine. So the great thing with this is it is magnetic and it does come apart, so you can hide this under a couch, under a pillow, play, and then sneak outside and play a little trick on somebody. So we're gonna give some of these a try and then we'll show you when we play a little trick on their sister. So over here on the side is where you can charge it. Here is where you can turn it on. So it does have two different volume temperatures right in the middle. Not volume temperatures. It does have two different volumes. So you have like a low and then a high. And then all of your buttons here, which they does break them down in there, is what they are as well. So this one says, I see you. So let's listen.
I see you.
We also have the fun game over.
Game over.
So you could play that fun, okay, listen to this one. Tricking with the farting. Oh. So those are all at the high. We'll turn it down a little bit here. We got Dracula's laughed. Here's the money, cha-ching. Another fart one. Let us go hide this for her sister and then we'll show you how it works. Okay, so we removed the two pieces and we're just going to slide and hide this one under the pillow, and she'll be back from the bathroom and laying down in just a second.
Ew, pee, ew.
So as you can see, this is super fun. Push the buttons, play. Your phone's ringing! So it's super fun. I love how it easily detaches, so then you can hide it, play some tricks. This will be fun to play a little trick on Dad when he gets home tonight too, right guys?
And you can charge it.
Yep, and charge it there, and then there's a spot to charge this one, and then you can stick them back together and they magnet, and you are ready to go. What do you guys think?
They are so fun. Yeah, it's so fun. It's fun to play tricks on people.
It is. Excuse you. We would like to thank the company so much for sending us this. If you're in the market and looking for a great sound machine game, then look no further, because we 10 out of 10 recommend.